Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to this channel, Ngabo Choreography. And remember, my name is Ngabo Dan. Endeavor to follow me on Instagram at Ngabo Dan. Yes, so if you're new here, remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out anything that I post. Don't miss out any tutorial that I post. So my friends, today I've come with another best Afro dance tutorial, and that is none other than the Crease cross leg work. So the leg work, everyone has been asking me about the leg work, so today I brought you the Crease cross leg work. So everybody, it's the crisscross leg work. So my friends, let me show you how to do it. So guys, the crisscross leg work is one of the most challenging Afro house strokes that challenges a lot of dancers. So today I've brought you step by step on how you're going to be doing this, and it will never disturb you again. So watch my steps as I'm doing it so that you learn. Remember, it's crisscross leg work, meaning there's some cross, yeah. Okay. So after doing you just need to put in more swag, like it's 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Get it's. You see? Hope you're seeing what I'm doing. So this is one of the most challenging things. So the crisscross leg work is one of those challenging things. I think you've learned it. So after doing, after crossing up your leg like this, all you just need to know is how your chest is going to be moving, how your face is going to be expressed. So you're like your hands moving. You see? You see? So guys, keep on practicing your footwork. The crisscross will come by itself. So keep on doing what I've told you to do, and keep locked at Ngabo Choreography. Hope to see you again in my next tutorial. Remember to comment, like, and share. Subscribe.